In healthcare, safeguarding patient data isn't just ethical, it's the law. Yet, in 2023 alone, the US healthcare sector experienced over 745 large-scale data breaches, compromising millions of patient records. The consequences? Hefty fines, costly lawsuits, and a tarnished reputation. Are you prepared to face these challenges? Non-compliance with regulations like HIPAA, GDPR, and CMS can lead to severe penalties. For instance, HIPAA violations can result in fines ranging from $100 to $50,000 per violation, with an annual maximum of $1.5 million. Beyond fines, data breaches often lead to lawsuits. In 2023, 23andMe settled a lawsuit for $30 million after a breach exposed personal information of 6.9 million customers. These incidents underscore the critical importance of robust data protection measures. Enter Fusion, a comprehensive solution designed to ensure your organization meets and exceeds regulatory standards. With Fusion, you get real-time tracking of data access and usage to ensure adherence to policies, protects patient information both in transit and at rest, aligning with HIPAA and GDPR requirements, comprehensive logs that simplify the audit process, providing clear records of data interactions. Implementing Fusion not only safeguards patient data, but also offers tangible benefits. By maintaining compliance, avoid penalties that can reach millions of dollars. Demonstrating a commitment to data security fosters trust among patients and partners. Streamlined compliance processes free up resources to focus on patient care. In an era where data breaches are increasingly common, proactive compliance is essential. Fusion provides the tools and assurance needed to protect your organization from legal and financial repercussions. Don't wait for a breach to take action. Secure your operations, protect your patients, and ensure compliance with Fusion today.